This tiny camera can snap a sharp, full color image, and its size is no larger than a grain of salt. This amazing feat was done by the team of researchers at Princeton and the University of Washington. The resulting images are far crisper than other small sensors. This micro-sized camera can be used in super small robots that can even travel through your bloodstream, killing disease cells. While traditional cameras use a series of curved lenses to control and capture light, this new optical system relies on a technology called metasurface, which are millions of cylindrical posts. Each post has a unique geometry and function as an optical antenna, and these can be produced much like a computer chip. Another bold step towards making science fiction a reality? Stay tuned with TechMana.